Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll share effective tips to improve your credit score fast using Credit Karma. Step 1. Check your credit report on Credit Karma for any errors and dispute them immediately. Step 2. Pay down your credit card balances to lower your credit utilization ratio below 30%. Step 3. Make all your payments on time. Set up reminders or automatic payments. Step 4. Avoid opening multiple new credit accounts in a short time. Step 5. Keep older credit accounts open to maintain your credit history length. Step 6. Use a mix of credit types responsibly if possible, such as credit cards and loans. Quick tip: regularly monitor your credit score on Credit Karma to track your progress. Found these tips helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more credit advice. Thanks for watching.